What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I'm going to start the REIT series. I'm going to do one REIT a week. So I want to individually go over them once a week. I have 5 REITs that I have in my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. Since I got to $100,000 with my dividend portfolio, I need some big guns. This real estate investment trust is one of the best ones out there. I'm going to explain to you my rationales as to why I'm buying them. I'm going to review the REIT. I'm going to go over the FFO trends, the revenue trends, and the dividend growth trends. They are huge. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check this REIT out right now. And that REIT is known as Prologis, PLD, sitting at 133.35. It is the biggest industrial REIT out there. Average volume 3.14 million. The market cap is 123.28 billion US dollars. Day range is 96.64 to 137.52. Day range is 133.20 to 135.27. Previous close is 134.57. These guys are so big. They just acquire and suck up new companies, new competitors, industrial REITs that are very similar to them. They just say, you're mine, we're taking you over. I cannot tell you how many REITs they have acquired and sucked up. And they have over 5,000 locations in 19 countries. I'm going to go over the countries first, and then I'll go over their customers. And when I mean big, by over 5,000 locations, they're worldwide in many continents. So they're in the Americas, they're in Brazil, big cities, Rio de Janeiro. They're in Canada, they're in Toronto, they're in Mexico, they're in the United States in big cities, Chicago, Austin, Central Florida, Central Valley, Charlotte, Las Vegas, Seattle, Columbus, Dallas. Those are some big cities. Los Angeles. Then they're in Europe. They're in Belgium. They're in the Czech Republic. They're in France. They're in Germany. They're in Hungary. They're in Italy. They're in Netherlands. They're in Poland. They're in Slovakia. They're in Spain. They're in Sweden, the United Kingdom. That's just Europe. They're also in Asia, in China, Japan, and Singapore. So they are an international powerhouse when it comes to a real estate investment trust. Now I'm going to go over their top customers. So their top 25 customers in the world: Amazon, FedEx, Home Depot, Geodis, Walmart, the U.S. government, UPS, GXO, DHL. They have Pepsi, Office Depot, Staples, Berkshire Hathaway, I guess they're listed, VF Corporation, Kellogg, Mandela's International, WestRock, and let's see, Ryder Systems, another one, and National Distribution Centers. Those are some really top customers or tenants with Prologis. That's very powerful. Now look at the top 5 again. Let's just do top 7 again. Amazon, FedEx, Home Depot, Geodis, Walmart, U.S. government, UPS, and GXO. That is pretty serious with some of their biggest customers. Now let's jump to the revenue trends and dividend history and FFO. I needed some serious firepower, and I needed to study the revenue trends before I pulled the trigger on Prologis. So this is their revenue annually in millions US dollars. 2015, 12,197. 2016, 2,533. 2017, 2,618. 2018, 2,804. 2019, 3,330. 2020, 4,038. 2021, 4,759. 2022, 5,973. And 2023, 8,023. That brought my confidence sky high in buying this powerful industrial REIT. I'm going to go over the FFO. That's also important. So here's a few things that are very important. One, for 2023, the company reported a core FFO per share of $5.61, up 8.7% for the previous year. So it beat Zach's consensus. That's fine. But rental revenues of $6.82 billion increased 38.8% year over year, but they missed Zach's consensus mark of $685. I don't care about Zach's consensus mark. $6.82 billion. Okay, that increased 38.8% year over year. The FFO was up 8.7% from the previous year. That is extremely attractive. Also, what I've read in some of the articles is the occupancy rate is very strong as well. So now I'm going to jump to the dividend history. So like I said before, again, having a $100,000 dividend portfolio, I need some big guns to come in. Look at this dividend growth, which is phenomenal. So I'm going to start in 2014. It's a quarterly dividend of 33 cents. 2015, 36 cents to 40 cents. 2016, 42 cents. It was a little stagnant there, and then watch out. 2017, 44 cents. 2018, 48 cents. 2019, 53 cents. 2020, 58 cents. 2021, 63 cents. 2022, 79 cents. 2023, 87 cents. And then in 2024, 96 cents. Now, their dividend growth in 5 years is 13.33%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 6. They still did well during the pandemic. If you bought one share, you made $3.48 with a 2.59% dividend yield. That is extremely impressive. They've done pretty well against the S&P 500 as well. That dividend growth is powerful, and I had to put my finger on the trigger. That is the first REIT of the 5 that I decided to buy and put in an M1 Finance Dividend Portfolio PI, which I have a high percentage on. I feel very good with this buy. Let me know what you think in the comment section with Prologis, if you like it or if you don't like it. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I will have a video for you tomorrow, and I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. Take care and have a great Dividend Warrior Wednesday. As a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use this YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. This is strictly for entertainment purposes only. I do own shares in Prologis, and I plan on being long in Prologis unless if something happens. Dividend cut, reverse stock split, something crazy. If something crazy happens, I will get rid of it. You're not using my YouTube channel for any form of tax purposes or financial advice. This is strictly entertainment purposes only. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money. So make sure you do your due diligence when it comes to investing. Take care and have a great Wednesday.